In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell on ThinkorSwim. So selling stocks, options, or other securities on ThinkorSwim or TOS is as simple. So whether you're using the desktop, web-based, or web application or mobile versions, listen carefully as I explain each steps. So now, for a quick sell from the trade tab, so make sure you open the ThinkorSwim and then go to the trade on the left panel or left navigation bar, and then in here you can search for a stock you want to sell in the symbol box or select your preferred symbol box and then click on the bid price. So simply click the sell first, and then you will see here the bid and ask, and then the limit and day. So it's up to you. So you can activate the autofill for a sell order. So in the order entry section of the button, ensure sell is selected, and then choose the quantity numbers of shares, and then select the order type. So it could be market order if you want to sell immediately at the best price, or a limit order if you want to sell at a set price or a better. And the last is a stop loss order if you want to trigger a sale at a specific price. Then after that, set the time in force, for example, day or GTC or good deal cancel, then click the confirm and send, and then review the order and then click send. So some tips I can share to you that you can also right click the stock in your monitor, positions tab, and then select the sell. So now for the selling options on ThinkorSwim, so go to the monitor tab and then the activity and positions, and then locate your open option position and then right click on it and then select create closing order and then to close, and then choose the quantity and adjust the limit price if needed, and then click confirm and send. And that's it. So selling in options before expirations avoids automatic exercise for in the money contracts. And then selling from the active traders for a day traders, just simply open the active trader tab and then under trade, and then select this stock or contract you want to sell. Then click sell MKT or market order, or place a limit sell at the desired price and then confirm the order. And then after that, if you are using a ThinkorSwim mobile, just simply open the TOS mobile app and then go to the positions and then tap on the stack options you want to sell, and then select close position and then choose order type market or limit, and then review the submit and order, and then enable push notification to track execution. And that's it. So selling on ThinkorSwim is flexible. If you want to have more information about ThinkorSwim, just simply like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel.